So finally we have the last case now where sine, let's write it just under here, where sine theta is equal to -1. From this graph we can see it occurs here at minus pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and other values if we continue along with different inputs for theta. So for sine theta equal to -1, we have it happening when theta is equal to minus pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. The next value after this would be 7 pi over 2, and that can continue. Here we have a pattern that can be described as an even multiple of pi, and from that we subtract pi over 2. So if we look at an example, if our multiple of pi is 0, that would be 0 minus pi over 2, which will give us minus pi over 2. If it's 1, we have, if it's 2, sorry, even 2 pi, we have 2 pi minus pi over 2 will give us so the second value here would be a multiple of pi, which we have as 2 pi, which is the same as 4 pi over 2, and if you take away pi over 2 from that, we'll get 3 pi over 2, and for this value, 7 pi over 2, it would have been a multiple of 4, so 4 pi, which is the same as 8 pi over 2, take away pi over 2 will give us 7 pi over 2. So that this description fits this sequence of values for theta. So our conclusion here is that sine theta, well, we know sine theta here is equal to -1 when theta is equal to an even multiple 2n pi minus pi over 2. Let's summarize what we've done here. Here we looked at a special case where sine theta is equal to -1 for the function f of theta equivalent to sine theta. And we just look at these values here below the axis of theta. -1 occurs at minus pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and in the next cycle would be 7 pi over 2. We looked at the pattern here and expressed this as an even multiple of pi minus pi over 2. An even multiple is represented by 2n. For odd, will be represented by 2n add 1. Here we have even, so we just use 2n pi minus pi over 2, where n again belongs to a set of integers. Now, this is very important to learn the special values of circular functions. They're quite often used in the study of mathematics, and it'd be useful thing to learn and to commit to memory. Thanks for watching these videos. My name is Alistair. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.